papers to shine papers, I'm lit now. I need 85K just to spit now. I need suicide dose just to close up. I came through in the I-8 with the doors up. I pulled up and the hardest cats froze up. I might be tipping on foes, so put your toes up. I might be puffing on cookies, go get your bowls up. My bottle's gold, bruh. No, I don't know. Everything is bigger in Texas, you gotta respect it. Cause me in the streets, we got a connection. Don't ever play yourself, I'm not trying to blend in. And I'm laying down every goon you send in. When I was 4'9", I had the mind of a giant. Now I'm 6'2", with the mind of a Mayan. Ingenuity at its finest, we the ones with the power. The roads came with umbrellas, this gon' be a money shower. That right.
Soon as I step in the club, they show me nothing but love. Go ahead and show me my spot. We finna smoke this club out.
Now pick the country on the globe and we can jet there. You blow my high, baby, you can get left there. Almost every single thing on your body fake. Your body nice.
Let's start small. If you from Texas, put your hands up right now.
You don't have a mouth. I roll up cookies like Verna. I'm a wood grain turner. You are not nocturnal. You a popcorn kernel. I'm addicted to profits. I take trips in the tropics. My chick got it poppin' and we just stick to the logic. Kilos all in my dresser. Don't you give us no lecture. Why you acting out extra? That's the reason I left you. I'ma pull me a baddie. Take 2 hits of this fatty. And I don't double date no more because these women be candy. You too bougie. You want cushion sushi. We ain't vibing like that. You know my very next line, baby. I'll be right back. This one wants to rock, this one wants some wax, and this one trying to charge, but we don't pay for that. I'm a pimp.
Soon as I step in the club, they show me